Hello everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm back with another pick a card reading which is going to be, are the evil energies blocking you or your path right now? If you really wonder that, why you are stumbling upon blocks all the time, what is it like, which is stopping your path all the time? Be that in love life, work life, home life situation, whatever it is, you always suffer one thing or the other because of some delays, because of some, you feel unwell, because of you feel like, situations are like, getting out of control for you, whatever it is. And you then wonder, like, is it because of evil energies around you? Is it because of black magic? Is it because of some sort of spell that might have been casted upon you, or what is it basically? So we are going to find out the answer to that question. Is there any evil energy around you which is blocking you, or there is something else which you need to work on? So we are going to find out the answer to that. I have two piles here, pile orange, pile blue. Pick whichever pile you want to choose to see the answer for your question. Before I dive into the reading, let me remind you, it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there. Always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal readings, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. So yeah, let's dive into the reading. Let's start with pile orange. Let's see, for the people who are choosing pile orange, let's see if there are evil energies around you which are, or which could be the reason that's like, that why things are getting out of control for you in your life, or why things are stagnant, stuck, why your love life is not moving, why your work life is not going well. We are going to see the answer to that. If we need, we will take clarifier, or if we need, we will ask the question, what is it that you need to do to make things work for you in your situation? Let's see if there are evil energies, yes or no. Three of Cups, Eight of Cups, Six of Swords. No, there are not. I don't see any evil energy here in your situation. But I do see that, you get disappointed a bit too soon. Maybe you have this, envious energy around you, and it's more like, maybe you see people happy, and then when you compare them with you and your situation and your path, you feel like, maybe something is wrong. Why I'm not the one having the abundance? Why I'm not the one who is happy? So there is like that energy where you feel like lack of having whatever it is that you desire. When you see people around you are abundant, when you see people around you are having fun, their love life is good, their work life is doing good, they are doing great in each and every area of their life, that makes you feel like, maybe something is wrong with me. Maybe there is like, black magic done on me. Maybe there is like, some sort of block on my energies. The only block you have is, you really need to understand, there must be something, along with this thought itself, where you are thinking, and comparing your life with other people. Like, everybody has their own individual path. You really have to understand that there is something that you are thinking wrong, which is why you're stuck in this situation, which always make you feel like giving up on things, which always make you feel like maybe you are not deserving of it. So you really have to, find out that trigger which makes you feel that way. What is it that makes you feel like, maybe there is something wrong, that way. Maybe there is evil energy, maybe there is mental block, maybe there is somebody might have cast a spell on you, because you are the only one who always don't get what you want. Everybody in your family, everybody in your friends group, everybody in your colleagues, they always get good opportunities, they always get happiness, they always get things, get better for them, without putting much effort. And you, even if you put efforts, things are like blah, like, you just don't see any positivity happening for you. But it's stemming out of your mindset. You really need to change that. You really need to instill a better mindset to, you need to replace your negative things that you have in your mind. It didn't happen in a day or two. You might have, maybe you had one bad experience, then you didn't learn from that experience. You just made it a belief that you always end up getting shit. That's what your belief is, and that's why when you see people happy, when you see things working for them, you start thinking negative. That's the only block you have. I don't see any evil energies around you, to be very honest. Now, what you can do in this situation, train your mind differently. Make it believe that yes, you are deserving of love. Yes, it's pretty much under your control. Use affirmations, use visualization. Always keep telling yourself a different story that you have been telling to yourself lately. Replace that story, because that story is making you feel bad. There is no outside influence which is making you feel bad. It's your own thinking process, it's your own thinking pattern which is making you feel blocked right now, which is and which will be the block in your life until and unless you work and find out the trigger that makes you feel negative, that makes you question, is there any black magic done on me? Is there any other block coming from an outside? So maybe somebody's having the control over my life. Nobody has that control. You are the one who is delaying things in your life by thinking negative. You really have to release that negativity. You really have to heal yourself. You really have to think a different way, and that's how you will get rid of the blocks that that you might be feeling in your life right now. So I don't see any evil energies influencing your life right now. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the people who chose the orange pile. Let's move on to the blue pile. Are you under any sort of influence coming from the evil energies? Yes or no? Let's find out. If we need to take clarifier, we will take clarifier. And if we need to ask the question after seeing these cards, what can you do in this situation to get rid of the evil energies, or the things which are making you feel like maybe evil energies are controlling you? Maybe it's a mental block. Maybe it's a past experience which you didn't heal from, which is making you stuck in a situation right now, and that makes you feel like maybe you are in black magic influence. So we are going to find out answers to all these questions, so stay tuned. First, let's see if there are evil energies around you. Yes or no? Let's find out. The moon, three of swords, eight of pentacles. Not evil energies, but I do see you are getting influenced by other people's intention. It's not black magic, but yes, bad intentions, yes, evil intentions, yes, but it's not black magic. It's not that. It's more of somebody who has bad intention for you. You do get influenced by other people very easy. What they think of you, and if they want to transmit something to you or to your mind, you will always pick the message what they are sending to you. Their evil intention, you will pick that message. Their intention is basically blocking you and your path. Whatever they tell you, you believe that to be true, and that's the block. You get influenced by people and their opinion, and that's how you get influenced. I don't see any black magic energies here, but yes, there are evil intentions of other people which you allow to ruin your life, or make things tough for you in your life. And then when you work towards getting a solution to that, you again listen to the same people who have basically imposed that block on you or your mindset, which is why you face certain delays in your life. So what you need to do here is to try understand and make a habit. If you want some sort of guidance, seek guidance, listen to them, but always make a decision based on your own. Think through things for yourself. Maybe meditate on it. If you need guidance, seek guidance from the people who love you, who care for you. Don't go for people who are basically trying to trick you in one way or the other. Like for instance, maybe you ask a friend of yours and about something, maybe about a girlfriend, about a boyfriend. How do they like this person? They are going to misguide you, be that in work life, be that in your love life situation. Whenever you're gonna ask them, they are just going to misguide you, just to uh maybe they are jealous of you, maybe they just don't want to see you happy. Whatever their intention is, they don't have good intention for you. So they want to see you blocked, they don't want to see you flourish, they don't want to see you happy. So they are pretty much frenemies is what I'm picking up. So what you do is you allow them to first give you an opinion, then you take that opinion and uh, make the base from that opinion, and then decide what you need to do next. That's where you are doing things wrong. Now you are letting them influence you and their evil intentions to work against what you desire in your life. No matter how hard you try to make things work, you will not let them let your intention work, because you are getting influenced by other people's intention and mindset and opinions. So what you need to do is get rid of that. That's the only thing that you really need to protect your energies. You really need to vibe higher than them. Stop meeting greeting people who are talking ill about others, because trust me, they will be talking ill about you behind your back as well. So that's the only thing that you need to do. I don't see a black magic effect here, but yes, the evil intentions are pretty much there. There are people who have bad intentions for you. Again, for that you really need protection, because if people have evil eye for you, that too is going to stop making things work for you in your favor. You need protection in that situation, but yeah, no black magic is what I can see here. So try to figure out who these people are, and then try to avoid these people. And even if you talk to them, or even if maybe if they are colleagues, you cannot avoid them. Now what you can do is stop taking advice from these people. Start taking advice from people that you can rely upon, like your family, maybe your siblings, maybe. But yes, don't involve these people in the situation, because they are pretty much frenemies. They don't want to see you happy, they don't want to see you succeed. They will instill negative beliefs in you, they will still instill negative patterns in you. So just get rid of these people. But yes, you do have evil intentions coming from others, which is affecting you in your life right now. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you for this reading. If the reading resonates with you, or if it helped you in one way or the other, you can always you can always like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And if you want protection service from me, or you if you feel that you are under some sort of black magic influence or something around those lines, even though with these cards I don't see anybody, neither first pile nor the second pile, under any black magic influence. But if you can feel that, sense that you are suffering with that, you can always reach out to me for the removal and protection service. But if you want protection service too for the second pile, you can always reach out to me for that as well. But check the description box before you do that. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you for this reading. If the reading resonates with you, or if it helped you, like, share, and subscribe till I do the next reading for you guys. Take care. Bye bye.